Centuries ago, the Vikings would take an axe, a tree, and a couple of hours and build a Viking chair like this. We decided to take 2 days and use all of these things to build our Viking chair. As you can see, our fit is nice and snug there. Not a bad Viking chair for a couple of non-Vikings. So we made this specifically to use at trade shows as a display. It shows a couple of different products, finishes, and just makes a nice stand-up display that has some function to it. Now, I would recommend, if you're going to build one of these for yourself to use as a chair, to use something thicker than this 4/4 board, maybe something 1.5 inches or so for added strength. So we took our piece of Patagonian rosewood, our live edge slab, we finished it off nice and smooth. We laser engraved our logo here. We took a piece of just scrap ash we had back in the junk pile, did a couple of different finishing techniques with it, engraved our logo there, cut our mortise and tenon, assemble it, and it's done. So it packs up nice and flat if we need to travel somewhere with it. Quick and easy to set up. And also has some function if you get tired at the trade show and need to take a little rest. Good night.